Good morning everyone. My name is Shweta Thakur and I am a student of Seneca College. Today I am going to share about the learning outcomes of week 2, 3 and 4 of the subject Nursing Informatics, that is NLM 104. As we are living in an era where technology is growing and emerging in all sectors, including healthcare sector as well. In current healthcare sector, the use of technology with knowledge aids in providing the quality care to the patients. Why the use of nursing informatics? Me as a nurse able to handle the monitors and other electronic devices. These help me to maintain privacy and security of the patient. These will also aid in providing the security to the patient records. In week 2, I learned about the difference between the nursing informatics and health informatics. Healthcare informatics is a broad term, inclusive of many roles and aspects in using the data to improve health and outcome of the patients, while nursing informatics tend to focus on the patient care. Nursing informatics is a field which helps the nurses to focus on patient care, which integrates the nursing sciences, computer sciences, information sciences to identify and manage the patient problems. With the help of nursing informatics, nurses can maintain the patient records accurately and precisely. It includes medical or surgical history of the client, lab values, medications, and so on. This will help to reduce the workload of nurses as there is no need of written documents. It will also help to save the time and also reduces the chances of errors and delay in the treatment strategies. Why the use of nursing informatics? Nurses are able to provide the better client to the patient and they can also save their time. In nursing leadership, it will help me in several ways. Like it will help me to communicate with others, staff members. As a nursing leader, it would help me to educate the new nurses. Not only academically but also in the basic informatics skills. With the help of nursing informatics, a nurse can easily interpret any kind of healthcare issues like allergies and risk factors which can threaten the life of a patient. These all kind of information are must for the upcoming nurse leaders to provide holistic and best quality care. Now I will step ahead to the week 3. In week 3, I learned about the different nursing informatic roles in Canada as well as different organizations working in Canada for informatics. These are CNA and CASN, and I will also discuss about their guidelines. Role of nursing informatics depend upon the nursing specialty and nursing jobs. Informatics will integrate the use of information, communication, technology for monitor and analysis of the data to provide evidence-based care. As a nursing informatic leader, my role would be to research for bringing change and enhance the care of patients. Now I will discuss about the guidelines of the CNA. CNA is the Canadian Nursing Association that facilitate the communication across all the healthcare settings. Nursing leaders have been using it in the healthcare settings are now improving access to primary care in many provinces. Next is CASN. CASN is Canadian Association of School of Nurses, which publishes the informatic entrance competencies for the nurses which are required while entering in the workplace. Having a brief knowledge about the nursing informatic roles help me as a nurse or as a leader to know what specific things are required her to do and what is expected from her. Standardized technology will enable the nurses to compare the data and also essentials to operate the EHR. Lack of standardization inhibits the exchange and analysis of information to identify patterns and associations related to nursing. Performance measured CASN competencies helps the nurses leaders to know the gap and lack of their knowledge and also the skills which are required for the nurses. Thus, this will help some nurses to improve the clinical system. Now I will move towards the Big Four. Big Four is loaded with very interesting topics and gadgets. We are quite familiar with that. That is computer. The main concept of this week is to provide the basic knowledge about the hardware components of a computer, including CPU, which is also known as the brain of computer, as well as the input, output and storage devices. Knowledge of computer hardware would have a great impact on our practice. It will also impact our practice. It will also influence our future nurse leaders to work more efficiently in the complex work settings. Computer is a basic tool which is essential for nursing informatics. Therefore, knowledge of a computer is very important to become more proficient in using the technology. Moreover, it will help the nurse to know about the technology and upgrade them with the changing expectations of the healthcare system. Nurses can better grasp how to retrieve, organize and process data and informatics. They will also develop the competencies with the application of nursing informatics skills and improve their knowledge. With the use of computer, a nurse leader can change in practice and ultimately enhance the patient, family and the social outcome. It will also help in improving the health of the population, thus help to reduce the cost of the healthcare. Thank you.